Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram crash in iPhone. We will go to click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app and this is window. We'll just go down here to find the Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to next window, we will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, then we will click here on storage and we will come here to storage window, we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe and see you in next video about all Telegram settings.